Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best rivet replacement is probably one of the most essential accessories for Crocs owners. Have you ever experienced the frustration of a broken rivet on your favorite pair of Crocs? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Crocs rivet replacements, exploring the best options to keep your footwear in top shape. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the right choice and get your Crocs back in action. Number 5. KOTESLLOE 8 Sets Replacement Rivets for Crocs. Are your favorite Crocs falling apart? Don't throw them away. These replacement rivets are the perfect solution to fix them quickly and easily. Installing these rivets is a breeze. You don't need any special tools. Just a little bit of effort, and you'll have your Crocs back in top shape. These replacement parts are made to last. They're designed to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring your Crocs stay securely together. Each package comes with 8 sets of rivets. That's enough to repair multiple pairs of Crocs or have spares on hand for future needs. Don't let a broken rivet ruin your day. Grab a set of these replacements and get your Crocs back in action. They are a simple and effective fix. What we like? This product offers multiple sets, ensuring you have enough replacements. It's also super easy to install. If you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective solution to repair multiple pairs of Crocs, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Fits just right. A few broke off and these replaced them perfectly. Perfect fit. Easy assembly. Good quality as these are lasting longer than the originals to the shoes. They worked perfectly and are real easy to install. There is a plastic separator ring that is used with the Foco Crocs, and even though it's not needed, it does help the strap move more freely. Number 4. CALZURO Heel Strap Kit, Secure Fit Clog Straps. Introducing the CALZURO Heel Strap Kit. This kit is designed to enhance the fit of your clogs. It ensures a more secure and comfortable experience. These straps are made from Italian rubber. The material is known for its durability and flexibility, providing long-lasting performance. Built for professional use, this kit offers exceptional durability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear. The kit is compatible with all classic CALZURO clog sizes. It's easy to install and provides a perfect fit for your existing clogs. Each kit includes 2 straps, along with buckles and all necessary hardware. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy installation. What we like? This product is built for professional-grade durability. It ensures a secure fit, so you can move with confidence. If you're someone who needs a reliable and long-lasting solution for your Crocs, especially in demanding environments, then consider this. What people say. Straps are great and feel sturdy. They wiggle somewhat, but it's to make it flexible to put on, off, and walk in. They work great. Number 3. Replacement rivets for clog shoe strap, black. Is your clog strap broken? Don't throw away your favorite shoes. These replacement rivets are easy to use and will save you money. This set includes 6 male and 6 female buckle clips. They are designed to fit clog beach shoes, slippers, and sandals. It's a simple fix. These clog strap replacement buttons are made of high-quality plastic. They are sturdy and practical, ensuring your shoes are repaired well. The rivets are 16 mm in size, perfect for repairing your clog shoe straps. This ensures a secure and lasting repair. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions about the product, you can contact us anytime. We will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like? This product is designed for easy use, saving you time and money. It's a practical choice for repairing your clog straps. If you're looking for a simple and budget-friendly fix for your shoes, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect for fixing Croc strap. Fix my Croc in 5 seconds, good as new. Worked like a charm. Number 2. Replacement rivets for clog beach shoe strap repair, black. Is your clog beach shoe strap broken? Don't throw them away. These replacement rivets are easy to use and will save you money. This set includes 8 male and 8 female buckle clips. They are designed to fit most clog beach shoes, slippers, and sandals. This set has everything you need to repair your shoes. These clog strap replacement buttons are made of high-quality plastic. They are sturdy and practical, ensuring your shoes are repaired properly. The rivets are the perfect size for clog shoe strap repair, specifically for 16mm rivets. They are designed to fit perfectly and securely. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions about the product, you can contact us anytime. We will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This product provides multiple sets for replacement. It's also very easy to use. If you have multiple pairs of Crocs needing repair or want to have spares on hand, then this is a great choice. What people say. They fit perfectly and were easy to install. The rivets worked perfectly to repair my Crocs. These rivets are exactly what I needed to fix my Crocs. Number 1. Croc replacement rivets for Croc-Styled shoes. Is your Croc strap broken? Don't throw away your favorite shoes. These replacement rivets are the perfect solution. These rivets are designed for easy installation. You can quickly fix your Crocs and get back to wearing them. These rivets are compatible with Croc-Styled shoes. They are designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a secure and lasting repair. Made from high-quality materials, these rivets are built to last. They can withstand daily wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance. Each set includes 10 white rivets. It's a cost-effective way to repair multiple pairs of shoes or have spares on hand. What we like. This product is specifically designed to be compatible with Croc-Styled shoes. It is also easy to install. If you have Croc-Styled shoes and need a quick and easy repair, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. They fit perfectly and were easy to install. The rivets worked perfectly to repair my Crocs. These rivets are exactly what I needed to fix my Crocs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.